You got enough sunscreen on?
Nope.
You want more? You ready for the beach?
Bailey, what happens if you touch the man of war?
So why come back to Florida during the winter time? This. Pretty amazing. Why wouldn't I want to come back to Florida to have beautiful weather like this and spend time with all our family and friends? It's just an incredible place. Beautiful place. It's not cold. You gotta jump in real quick. That felt good. So I realized a while ago, I used to make fun of those people that would come to Florida. I've been to Florida all my life. We used to call them snowbirds. Well, we still call them snowbirds. But now I'm one of those snowbirds. Ever since we started full-timing, I'm one of those that I used to make fun of all the time. And we're grateful to have them. But I want to ask you a question. Where do you winter when you full-time in your RV? Where do you go during the winter when you're a full-time RVer? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below.
What is that, Bailey?
He likes fish.
Put it here.
Ocean.
What's really cool about nurse sharks is sometimes, if I give them a delicious prize, I can get them to tell you how they got their name. But you gotta be quiet. Now listen carefully. Who's gonna get the prize and tell people how you got the name nurse shark? That's the sound you see of a baby nursing.
How you doing? Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Bailey,